My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video, oh my gosh, I am so in love with how it came out. And it is going to be, of course, another tutorial with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Oh, I am just like all about bright colors, and that's just what's on trend right now, are like neons and just bright colors. And this palette is just giving me like spring, summer, beachy, crude vibes, and I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. So I didn't want to do a pink look, my first one, because you guys are probably like, all right girl, we're sick of the pink looks. I get it. And I'm really happy with the way that came out, but as soon as, you know, I had to do a pink look. But at first I was considering doing like a halo eye, and I'm like, you know what, some people might not be comfortable putting like that much pink on their eye. But oh my gosh, I forgot I was still wearing these. Sometimes I mean to wear them, and then sometimes I don't mean to wear them. Because this is just like what I wear when I get ready, because it helps hold my hair back. I have gone to work twice forgetting that they were on my head. People are like, cute headbands, do you realize you're in the hospital? I'm like, oh shit, I forgot they were still on. Okay, but if you would like to see how to get this pink and yellow sunset, neon sunset eyes, there we go, then keep on watching this video. And if you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'm almost to 600 subscribers, and I will do a giveaway at 600, so have a friend subscribe. It's only like 10 more people and I will do a huge giveaway. All right guys, let's get into it. Alright, so let's show some swatches real quick. This is the first row. They are all metallics except for the very first one, Sands, which is a matte white. And here is just a different angle. And then here is the second row. Oh, I love this. They are all mattes. The pink, the purple, and the brown are actually pressed pigments. So at first we're going to go in with Estate, that light like tannish peach, and we're going to put that in our crease as a transition shade. I'm using a Morphe E27 blending brush, and I'm just putting this in there. You don't have to be very precise. And now I'm going in with that more like peachy coral shade and using an R38 and putting that just a little bit lower than where I put Estates. And I'm starting to put it on the outer corner of my eye and then just bring it into the crease and blend it out. Now I'm going in with this Real Techniques blending brush and Monte Carlo, which is a beautiful like rosy pink shade. And I'm just going to pat that on the outer third of my eye and bring it into the crease as well. I love this color, and I just kind of swipe back and forth, and then when most of the product is off, I bring it into the crease. Now I go back in with an R38 and just blend the edges out. So now I'm going to go in with that hot pink color called Bahamas. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite color in the palette, if you didn't already know. But this is one of the pressed pigments, so it will stain your skin, just FYI. But most of the hot pinks I do have in my collections stain my skin, so I don't mind it. Now I just go back in with the R38 and blend the edges out again. Now I'm going to take this small flat brush and go in with Inheritance. This beautiful like 24 karat yellow gold shade, and I'm just going to carve out where I want that color to be and then just put that all over my lid. I'm using a really tiny brush to put this on, so it takes me a little bit longer than usual, but I just wanted to be very precise with it. And then I'm going to go back in with Bahamas and just deepen that up and blend it in with the Inheritance shade. Oh my gosh, I just love the pink and yellow together and orange peeking out. Now I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Popular and put that in my lower waterline. I was trying to create like a sunset look with the eyes, have like the orange, then the pink, and then the yellow gold. So now I'm going to take Bahamas and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line with just a little shader brush by Wet n Wild. And now I'm going to blend it out with the Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus, wet my brush, and go back in with Inheritance and just deepen up the intensity of that beautiful metallic shade. And just really make it pop. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs eyeliner again and I'm going to put that on my lash line. You don't have to be perfect with this. It can be kind of messy because we're going to go in with Bahamas and press it right on top of the eyeliner we just laid. And kind of press it into your lashes as well. Oh, I just love how that looks. Oh, I'm dying. Now I'm taking this NARS Larger Than Life eyeliner and tightlining my upper waterline. Just so my eyes don't look like I have red eye. And now I'm going to take Sands, that matte white, and highlight the brow bone. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and throw in some mascara. I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And then I'm going to go and finish the rest of my makeup. But I do want to show you what lashes that I'm going to be putting on. I'm going to be using the Sephora Lash Story lashes in Festival. Okay, so for a lip, originally I'm not sure which thumbnail I'm going to use because I like did all my pictures wearing the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in 818. And then I was like, you know what would look really good? The Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Matte Lipstick in Candy Venom. So, but I am so tired. It's 5:49 a.m. right now, and I'm just like, I don't want to take more pictures for thumbnails. I did take a couple, but I don't know how they came out. Well, I mean, I looked at them briefly, but we will see. But I just wanted to let you guys know. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye. Meow. Hey. Moving on. Funny cause I only know a couple of your songs, but I love when they come on. Work. I'll take it. Baby, I'll take it. While I'm staring at you cause I'm picturing you naked. Know what's on your mind, embrace it, do not fake it. Tonight is what you make it, take it, do not waste it. Take a shot, you not waste it. Hot bitch fell in love like cappuccino. It's so thirsty, it irks me. You keep on putting just other money, but that ain't my cup of tea though. No, the game is to get a bunch of Facebook just to change your fucking neighbors and shit. Swear if you put cash when you putting tits and ass into a craft, by now you'd be famous and rich. But I get it, you'd rather lay with a dick. You think you got a first round pick. She thinking about the things she can get, huh? She think you can arrange for a whip and a fly ass creeper, but it ain't that simple cause all you got is a phone full of bitches. And they just like her. Meanwhile, I'm stacking paper up my word.